Okay, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 23rd of February, and this is Three Little Pigs and NITS No Indicators Trading Strategy in the live markets. The Three Little Pigs strategy is free, and you can get it by going over to the website and just signing up here. The No Indicators Trading Strategy is available here on the website under Forex ebooks. And the indicator that I will use today is the Three Little Pigs swing trade indicator, which you can access over here on the website as well through MT4 indicators. And just mention that just for the remainder of this month that with Nigel's price action video course, there's still the free correlation indicator included there to the end of February for anybody signing up. There's a 45-day money back guarantee. And on that, let's get into the markets and Three Little Pigs. So we've got the Aussie dollar first, and we're down and up here. We can see the weekly trend's clearly down. So we're waiting for the daily to roll over, which looks like it could well do on the next candle. And on the 4-hour, obviously, if we close below this moving average here, we'll get a sell signal, and we'll be taking a trade to the downside here. We won't be looking at long positions here for a while because of the daily being down here, and over something like 1,000 pips away from this moving average. So just looking for sell setups here, and we may well get one, if not on this candle, maybe on the next one, but potentially today or this week we can get a new signal to the downside on Aussie dollar. EURGBP, we're just about to get a new short signal here. We got into a trade on Friday and we got stopped out, so just waiting for a re-entry here on EURGBP. We can see the weekly is clearly down, as is the daily. So when this 4-hour candle completes, assuming price stays somewhere around about where it is now, we'll be getting a short signal here, and we'll go short once again on EURGBP. And EURJPY, we're down and up here. Weekly is well below the moving average here, so we'll be waiting for the daily to roll over and looking for short trades here probably this week. Unlikely that we'll see any long signals, but who knows, get a 500 pip move here. But most likely we'll see the daily roll over and get a short signal here on EURJPY. EURUSD, we're down and down. We just got into this trade again this morning. So it's been choppy here. We've been losing a little bit of money here on EURUSD, but we still keep taking these signals. We are in a range here. So this 1.13 level is holding quite well for the EURUSD. So we just need to see this break down. Eventually it's going to start trending again for us, and we'll be making profits. So just take this short signal this morning. Nice entry here. Around the 11375 level, and we've got about a 30 pip stop here, and we're just going to trail that, and hopefully we won't lose any money on this trade now because of this big move later in the morning. Anyway, we're involved and short on EURUSD. GBPUSD, we're down and up here, so the weekly is clearly down. We're not going to get any long signals here this week, barring a disaster. So we're just waiting for this to give us a new signal to the upside, and when we do, we'll be getting involved to see if cable can push on up above this 1.55 level. USDCAD, we're up and up. We're in a trade here from Friday, so the weekly is really overextended here. The daily moved up this morning, and on the 4-hour, we had this entry back from Friday anyway. So long here from Friday, and just trailing the stop up. So hopefully now with this move we can see it extend away from the moving average, and again we don't lose any money. USD Swiss, I mentioned in one of the, not last week, not this week, but the week before, I mentioned that those interested could take a trade, an entry here now, and it was back at about the 93100 level. So we're up about 150 pips here on this trade for those that took it. I took it on half a position, so not making a great deal of money, but at least involved and making a little bit of money here. The stop's already in the money, so just hoping now that this pushes on up and at least we're involved, even though it's only on half stakes. USDJPY, we're up and up here. We got this entry here on Friday, so quite flat here on the moving average. So we need to see this moving up so we can move our stop and get into the money here as well. Gold, I highlighted this at the weekend, so it took about 10 trading 1% risk per trade. I mentioned in the newsletter I haven't made any money here because I haven't been trading gold. I very rarely do. There's about 10% to be had here on 1% risk per trade. Gave 1% back here on a false entry, and now we're up about 12-15% here up on this re-entry here. So those of you trading gold, a nice 25% or so at 1% risk per trade in the month of February. Unfortunately, I am not amongst you. Those of you watching on YouTube, there's a subscribe button just here. If you click on that, then you make sure that you get notified of any of these new webinars that get posted, so you can watch them after the event and don't miss them. On to no indicators trading strategy. Nothing really to change from the weekly report. So on cable, we took a long entry here. We broke this high, we moved the stop to here. We broke this high, we moved the stop to here. So now we're waiting for this high to get broken, we move our stop, or our stop loss gets taken out and we'll be into a short position with a stop up above this high. EURUSD, as noticed on the three pigs, sideways market here on the 4-hour charts. So still just waiting, want to see this low broken or this high get taken out and we'll take a long position. EURJPY, very similar, and we need this low to get broken, move the stop down a little, or we'll get taken into a long trade here. And that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and any questions, just leave them in the on the YouTube video when this gets posted on YouTube in about 10 minutes time, and I will answer any questions. Thanks, and all the very best to all of you.